First, you're going to go to Google Chrome and you're going to type in MP3 Juice. And you're going to click on the one at the very top, MP3. No, you're going to click on the second one, the one that say Jade Lounge. That one. And search an artist. I'm going to go with Lucy. And pick your song that you want. I'm going to go with just pick any song and hit download. And then hit download MP3. Do 320 kilobytes. That's what I would do. Then a page will pop up. You just close it out and go back to that. And then you hit download. Page will pop out. Close it again. And at the bottom, start your download. And it'll start downloading. And then you can open in downloads to hear a preview of it. There it goes, Honeycomb Brazy. Play. And it's working. So close that out, hit done. And then I'm going to go to GarageBand. This out. And I'm going to hit the plus sign at the top and do audio record. Hit that. And then at the very top, you see a plus sign over here to the right. Click that. And right there where it says 8 bars, change that to 60. And then after you do that, you just hit back. And then at the top, you're going to hit 1, 2, 3. Let me see. Yeah, the third thing from the left at the top. Hit that. And then you're going to hit the little roller coaster looking thing up there at the top right. It's the second in the middle. That's how you add your music, and that'll pop up. After that, go to Files. And I want to go browse items. And there it goes. In my recent Honeycomb Brazy, I tap it and then it'll come on this little list right here. There it goes. And then I'm going to hold it and drag it to the very top like that and release. After that, at the top you see that little triangle thing up there. Unclick it. It's lit up blue. That thing right here. Unclick it. So you won't hear that little tick-tock noise. And then hit play. And you can cut it, adjust it to however you want. If you want a part of it cut out, you'll tap on it one time to get the white box around it. Tap on it again so a list will come up at the top. And you'll split. And some scissors will come up to wherever you want to split it at. And you'll drag it down to cut it. And then you'll tap on one end that you don't want so it'll highlight. Tap on it again and hit delete. And then you're going to tap on the box that you kept and drag it all the way to the end, back to the number 1 up there. And then from there, when you're done and everything is to your liking, you're going to hit this arrow up there to your left. Hit that arrow to save it. But before we do that, go to the 1, 2, 3, the 4th thing up there for your settings at your left. Turn your track volume all the way up, so when it playing, it'll play loud. Let me see. That was pretty much it on track settings. And to save the song, just go up there and hit the down arrow button and click my song, and it'll save. And it'll save as my song, so it's waiting to save afterwards. Just give it a minute. There it goes, my song. And it's still uploading, as y'all can see, 6.4 megabytes. It's still doing it 0 kilobytes. And boom, it saved. So once it's saved, I can click on it and I can rename it Honeycomb. Oops.
You can't eat this second.
And I'll hit done. And then after I've renamed it, I'll click it again, hold down on it. And then I will share. And then I will share as a ringtone. And then it say your ringtone is too long, blah, blah, blah. Hit continue. And then export. And it's exporting as a ringtone. And then hit OK. And just to see, or if you want to confirm it, go to your settings, go to sound, go to ringtone, and look, there it goes, Honey Brazy. And that's that, you guys.